Okay, this is a video on how to create a video from your computer. So what we're going to do first is we're going to double click the Camtasia Studio 8 icon. I'm going to double click that while it loads. Okay, I'll just open that up to make it full screen. No, you can just X out of this. It's not important. So make that full screen. Okay, and the very first thing you're going to do is you're going to click record the screen. Make sure your microphone's plugged in and it's working to the back of the computer in a USB port. You should see when it says record screen, see these little dashes around the side? That's how you know that's the part of the screen you're going to capture, the little green dashes that you see there. Okay, now one of these is the recorder. Yeah, this one here. So you're going to click that to show the recorder. Hold on. Let's see, where is the recorder? Oh, recorder's over on screen 2. Let me scoot this over to screen 1 so we could see it. There we go. Alright, so this is the recorder. Now what you want to do is test check your microphone. So talking to your microphone, and this bar right here should be going up and down if it's capturing what you're saying. It's not going up and down for me because I'm doing it from home on another computer, so it can't hear me. But for you, it should be going up and down. So go check, 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 and it should see it go up and down. That's how you know it's working and it's going to hear what you say. Okay, and then when you're ready to record, you're going to, and start the video, you're going to click on record. So we're going to do that, and it's going to give you a countdown. 3, 2, 1. Now this is how you know the video is starting. So you can do whatever you want over here. We'll just act like we're making a Time Matters video to sign in. Blah, 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 etc. Blah, blah, blah. Whatever. Okay, and let's just say now your video's done. You're going to go back to the recorder box and you're going to hit stop when you're done. Notice that you can also pause it. Let's just say you get interrupted but you don't want it to be part of the video. You can pause the video, and then when you unpause, it'll pick right back up with where you started on the video. But let's just say we're done with the video. After we've finished it, you're going to hit stop, and you're going to hit right here. See, it shows, it's giving you a preview of what you just did there. But you're going to click, the very first thing you're going to do is click save and edit. And you need to name this video. So the file is Camtasia Studio. So if you can just click that, you'll go right back to that. And I'm going to name this video, I don't know, this is a test video, let's just say. And you're going to save that here. I was making new folders, so let's just be consistent. So first we're going to create a new folder and call it the very same thing. We'll call it test video is the name of the folder. Then you're going to open that and name this recording test video inside the folder test video. So save that. Then this is going to happen. So the next thing you do is come up to the file right here, click File, and do Save Project As. And you're going to do the same thing again, only you're going to go back to Camtasia Studio, find your folder that you made, Test Video, and you're going to call this Test Video again, because one of the files is the sound and the other file is the screen. So you need to do that twice. That's why you're doing it. Now you're going to click OK. Then you're going to click on Produce and Share, because I want this uploaded to my YouTube. Hold on a second, not that. Click that down arrow so you can find Share to YouTube. Alright, now you don't have to do anything here because I'm automatically signed in, so don't do anything. All of this is exactly the way it should be, and you're just going to click Finish. Now this is rendering the video. Now depending on how long your video is how long it's going to take to do this part. This is an extremely short video, so this is going to upload in like no time at all, as you can tell. But most of the training videos that I create, it takes a good 30-40 minutes to upload the thing, sometimes over an hour. One video I did took a whole day, so that's not unusual. Just let it do its thing. Don't X out of this. It has to stay open until it's finished. And that's really all you have to do, is just wait until this completely uploads, and then your video will be on my YouTube channel, and I will take care of adding it to the training videos on our website. And actually, if this does it quick enough, I can show you how to add it to our website. Okay, well, it did it pretty quick. So anyway, that was it. That was how to make the video. So here's how to add it to the web page. Okay, so I'm going to minimize that. We're going to go to YouTube. So this okay, so well, alright, so it's not immediate. Anyway, YouTube's processing the video. So when that's done, I will add it to the website. So that's how to make a video with Camtasia Studio. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.